Hey guys, welcome back. This video is a basic mandala tutorial for beginners. I'm using a round MDF board for today's art. So let's start with priming the board. I'm using a black gesso from Itsybitsy for priming. You can also use white gesso if black is not available. You have to make your base waterproof. It's very important to keep it mold free. Don't forget to apply the primer on edges as well. So for base, I'm using acrylic colors today. You can also use chalk paints. I'm using brand fevicryl for this. Use a flat brush for uneven application. Acrylic colors from brands fevicryl and Camlin are available in 15 ml bottles as well. You can easily purchase them from Amazon, Flipkart or even from your nearby craft stores. So let's mark the center of the circle first. For marking the divisions, I'm using a stencil from Jags. These are basic dotting tools which you can use for mandala art. Mandala is all about symmetry. So I'll show you some symmetric patterns which you can adopt to build your mandala. For the second layer, use tip size one size bigger than the previous one. Repeat the same process for the third layer also. Dot drags are one of the basic stock in mandala. It's easy to do and will give you a complex look. These patterns are called swishes. You can draw it either using a dotting tool or thin brushes. For mirror mandala, you can draw the outline first and then draw the pattern. You can stick back the mirror after varnishing. So let's create our mandala using these vibrant shades from Camlin. Now we have completed the pattern. So the next step is varnishing. I'm using a gloss acrylic varnish from brand Brustro. After varnishing, you can stick the mirrors using glue. I'm using fevicryl for that. Varnishing step is not captured in the video. During the process, you can do it in a ventilated area. All products used in this video will be mentioned in the description. Here is the finished look. Hope this was a useful video for all beginners. For any queries, please comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon on my next tutorial.